What's going on, everybody? My name is Christopher Rogers, and I'm in MarineMax Clearwater. I may not be wearing a cardigan, but you can still call me Mr. Rogers. So I'm on the 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. First thing I want to show y'all through this walkthrough is it's got twin 300 Mercuries. This will get you going about 58 miles an hour. The next thing I want to show y'all is this super comfortable bench seat, and very easy to sit where you're comfortable while you're on your way. But once you finally get there, you're going to want to stand up, socialize. Maybe you're going to fish, whatever you're going to do. You can easily stow it away right here. And then we have our beautiful dive door. So if you're reeling in something big, easily bring it on board. Or if you're just at the sandbar, you can jump off and get back on because there's a dive ladder attachment for that. And then we have two fish boxes on the port and starboard side. And so you can store all your fish. We have a really nice size live well right here. So you can put your bait here or just put some drinks in there if you're going to the sandbar. So on the helm, guys, this is the next thing I'm going to show y'all. So as you can see, we have two sim rods on here. Makes it very easy to navigate, see what's going on with your fuel gauge, all that good stuff, the depth. And then we have our JPO Mercury joystick, makes docking a breeze. So let's keep going. And we have a very spacious head, and it makes it easy to change and do your business. One nice thing is we got this handrail, so you can get in easily while holding this. And then as you can see, along the entire boat, there's these bolsters. And if you're just standing, you don't want to sit down, you want to stand. Instead of leaning on fiberglass, Boston Whaler thought, well, let's have something to cushion you as you lean. So I really love this just touch on the Outrage. And then up here, as you can see, we have really a lot more seating. So if you're, you can have 4 or 5 people up here easily here, and then right there, there's a great seat to lay out on. And if you're thinking there's not much storage on this boat, I would say, well, let's take a look at this and see if your opinion's changed. Because right here, it's so deep. There's so much storage space. You can put everything you need for the day on this boat. And the very last thing I want to mention is this windlass anchor. So it makes docking a breeze. You just drop down the anchor, and then you can reel it back up very easily. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for joining me on this 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. If you have any questions, reach me. Again, my name is Christopher at 985-951-0112. Thanks so much.